Did you know Rosa Parks wasn't the first person to refuse giving up her bus seat? 9 months before Rosa Parks made history, a 15-year-old girl named Claudette Colvin did the exact same thing in Montgomery, Alabama. She was just a high school student at Booker T. Washington High School when police dragged her off that bus, arrested her, and charged her with breaking segregation laws. But here's the shocking part. Civil rights leaders decided not to support her case. They thought she wasn't the right face for their movement because she was young, dark-skinned, and became pregnant shortly after. So Claudette watched from the sidelines as Rosa Parks became famous for doing what she had done first. But Claudette got the last word. She testified in the federal court case that actually ended bus segregation, not the boycott itself. For decades, she stayed quiet about being overlooked, working as a nurse aide in New York. Finally, in the 2000s, historians rediscovered her story and gave this brave teenager the recognition she always deserved.